Nobody scrolls past page 2 of Google. That's where I found these 6 free OSINT websites that find things most people don't even know are visible. Let's go. Disclaimer, legal use only. Authorized research, your own data, nothing else. Website number 1, Epieos. Type any email address into Epieos and watch what comes back. It checks that email against 140 plus services. Google, LinkedIn, GitHub, Instagram, Skype, Notion, Strava, and more. Silently, without alerting the account owner. What you get back is every platform that email is registered on with confidence scores. The Google part specifically is wild. If that email has a linked Google account, Epieos surfaces the profile photo, the Google ID, maps reviews they've written, and sometimes their last active timestamp. One email, instant digital footprint. Epieos.com, free for basic lookups. Website number 2, Criminal IP. Shodan is great. Criminal IP hits differently. It's a threat intelligence search engine backed by 4.2 billion IP addresses. Search any IP and get a risk score, open ports, exposed services, VPN or Tor detection, and links to known threat actor campaigns. But the feature nobody talks about is image search. It visually browses internet-connected devices, security cameras, control panels, login portals that are sitting open on the internet, rendered as actual screenshots in a grid. You see it once and you understand immediately why this matters. Criminalip.io. Free account, no card needed. Website number 3, Shodan. Shodan.io. Google indexes websites. Shodan indexes everything else. Servers, webcams, routers, industrial control systems, medical equipment, smart TVs, anything connected to the internet with an IP address, Shodan has probably seen it. Search by port number, software version, country, or product name, and you get back every matching device sitting open on the internet right now. Exposed databases, unprotected login panels, cameras with no authentication, it's all there. This is the tool that makes attack surface feel real instead of theoretical. Free tier available. Shodan.io. Website number 4, GeoSpy AI. GeoSpy.ai. Upload a photo, get back GPS coordinates. No metadata required. GeoSpy AI analyzes the actual pixels in an image, architecture style, vegetation, road markings, signage, sun angle, and uses AI trained on 46 million street-level images to estimate exactly where that photo was taken. Urban environments can come back with meter-level accuracy. No EXIF data, no GPS tag, just the image. Investigative journalists use it to verify viral photos. OSINT researchers use it to geolocate evidence. Law enforcement has used it to locate suspects from a single image. Free tier gives 20 lookups. GeoSpy.ai. Website number 5, Maltego. Maltego.com. If OSINT had a visual language, it would look like Maltego. You start with one piece of data, an email, a domain, a phone number, and Maltego maps out everything connected to it as an interactive graph. Accounts, IPs, associated domains, social profiles, physical addresses, all rendered as nodes and lines you can click through and expand. Think detective board, but automated and actually useful. The community edition is free and genuinely capable. Professional investigators and pen testers keep it as their first choice recon tool. Maltego.com. Website number 6, Intelon. Intelon.io. Last one, and the one that surprised me the most when I actually used it. Intelon runs a single search across multiple intelligence datasets simultaneously. Stealer logs, leaked credentials, breach data, threat intelligence feeds, exposed infrastructure, digital exposure patterns. One query, everything at once. Email, domain, IP, or name results in seconds. What makes it different is the data is continuously updated, not a 6-month-old breach database. If something got exposed 2 weeks ago, it shows up now. There's also an alerting system. Set it on a domain or credential pattern, and it notifies you via email or telegram the moment new matching data surfaces. Intelon.io. Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Which one hit hardest? See you in the next one.